This weekend I kind of fixed it. We're going to be doing a control arm on the Nissan Rogue. So obviously you want to jack up the vehicle. You really should use a jack stand. Remove the lug nut. Before you remove all of the lug nuts, do a double check. So this one has ball joint play. You could slightly see it, I hope. That is the reason why we are changing the control arm. Because on these, the ball joint comes in the control arm. Make sure you have the correct side out. They do come with these protective caps to keep this boot from coming up and getting contorted. These ball joints are actually replaceable on here, but by the time you just replace the control arm, you got a new control arm and new ball joint. So just replace the control arm. It's cheap. So these two bolts right here are always a pain in the butt because the sway bar link is attached. So the actual sway bar itself kind of blocks you from getting this bolt out enough to remove the control arm. So that being said, you need to disconnect the sway bar link. You gotta do the top or the bottom. The top's a lot easier. And hopefully you can save the link if you're a penny pincher like myself.